everybody, welcome back to Crochet Through Corona. Today we have our final stitch in the series of basic stitches. So this is the treble crochet, or double treble if you're using UK terms, and once again it is a taller stitch than the double crochet, so a bit more gappy in between, really easy to count how many stitches you've done because it's very clear. So it's just taller, again works up quicker, really good for summer blankets. That's as much as I can think of right now what it's good for, but I'm sure there are many other things. So I'm going to start by showing you the stitch, and then we will start with our foundation chain and how to start at the beginning. So to do this, it's like a double crochet in many ways, but you wrap over twice, so we yarn over twice before inserting our hook. So I'll just show you that one more time. So you yarn over twice, so you've got 3 loops on your hook before you insert your hook into the next stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through, and we yarn over and pull through 2, just like the double crochet, yarn over and pull through 2 again like the double crochet, but then we yarn over and pull through 2 for a 3rd time. So it's the same as the double crochet, just with an extra pull through, or an extra repeat on the end maybe. So we yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you repeat the yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times, okay? And I'll do that again, yarn over twice, there's 3 hoops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, and so then there's 4 loops on the hook at this point. Yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over, pull through 3 times. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches once, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches twice, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches 3rd time. And that is our treble crochet. Now I'm just going to show you, oops, I've gone into double crochet there by accident, excuse me. So it is really important you remember to do those 2 yarn overs before you start, otherwise you will end up just making a double crochet. And that is our 16 stitches. No, 17, I thought there was something wrong there. So when you come to the end of your first row of treble crochets, it's the same as the double crochet, the first chain counted as a stitch. So you need to, even though it looks like you've finished here, you need to still do another treble crochet into the top of that chain. So you can see your chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's that top chain there. So it's not looking as obvious as stitches normally do, and this is the only row where it'll look that difficult. So you just got to go through the 2 sides of the stitch, and it is a bit fiddly on this first one, but it is much easier on every other row, and you just complete it the same. And then to turn, we chain 3 if you're going to go back into the same stitch, which is my preferred method. If you want to count it as a stitch, you chain 4. So you 3 and turn, or 4 and then go into the same stitch, or 4 and move into the next stitch. So I prefer the 3 and go into the first stitch. I just think the edges look a bit neater personally, but it is very much personal preference. And that is your treble crochet. Now I will just quickly show it you using a the foundation chain, just reminding you, if you're doing it like I have just done, where you use 3 and then you as a turning chain, and then you still create your first stitch independently, you do not need to make this into a stitch. This is your last stitch when you're coming back across. So like I've done here, I've used a turning chain, so that's my last stitch now. That one there would be my last stitch. I don't need to look down this chain to find any extra stitches. Okay, so